Okay, we are live. No, you go lay on the couch. Yeah, you can't talk. My mom's turn. All right, so let's start. Christopher, let's start group meeting 3. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Yes.
Here. All righty, let me get my notebook. All right, so I'll start on this one. I think it's my turn. Group 12, right?
Lesson 12.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 and 2 should be true. Number 3.
Oh, hang on, I'm not there.
Oh, okay.
Today. There we go. Okay, sorry.
Nope, it's fine. Chris, okay. Suppose number 3. Suppose we have set of paired data and let d equal x after minus x before. The null hypothesis is, okay, those things confuse me. I still haven't memorized what all those things mean.
I know me.
Anyway, so I'm just going to skip over them. The alternative hypothesis is whatever that is, and the population standard deviation is not known. Jordan collects a sample of n equals 9 and computes d equals 2.2 and SD equals 3.3. What is the value of the test statistic? 2.000?
Nope.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I thought you said nope.
Sorry.
Christopher, come here. Number 4, the probability of being greater than 2.0 is 0.0403. Use HA to determine the p-value for this test, round to 3 decimal places. Number 4 is 0.081. One second, I'm logging onto Netflix for my child so fast. Okay, go lay in your bed, right there. There you go, lay in your bed. All right, number 5. Use the data file from chapter 112, data A, to answer questions 5 through 10. You'll use the null hypothesis of HO, whatever that is, an alternative hypothesis, and level of significance alpha equals 0.10. What is D rounded to the 3 decimal places? 31.025.
Yep.
Number 6, what is SD? 341.157.
Yep.
Laurel, am I going too fast? Are you getting them? Your little thingy's frozen. Oh, no, there you are.
No, you're good. Yep. Super
Okay,
weird.
so number 7, what is the test statistic? 0.407. Number 8, what is the, right? Everyone agree?
Yeah. Yes.
Number 8, what is the p-value? 0.689.
Yep.
And what is the correct decision based on the evidence? We fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yep.
And number 11, which is greater, N or DF? N.
9 and 10 were both fail, right?
Yes.
Okay.
What'd you say?
Both of those were failed to reject, 9 and 10.
Oh, yep, that's why I skipped over it. Sorry. Number 12, your alternative hypothesis is that, and you use a level of significance in 0.01.
Yeah.
What is the p-value?
That's good.
0.001.
Yep.
What decision did you make?
Mm-hmm.
Reject the null hypothesis?
Yep.
Yeah.
Number 14, you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use that thing, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? And it decreased. What decision did you make? Reject the null hypothesis. And the next one is, we have seen the p-value depends on alternative hypothesis. Setting aside the data in this problem, do you think a general rule can be made? Which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value and not enough information?
Correct.
Yeah.
And determine the 95 confidence interval for the mean difference between the two groups. What is the lower bound? 5.303.
5.33.
Yep. And 18 is determine the 95 confidence level for the mean difference between two groups. What is the upper bound? 18.607.
I have 16.607.
Yes.
Yeah, but I have two.
Okay.
I have number 18. 16, right?
Yeah, I'll check it and see if it's right. Oh, nope, I got it wrong. I put 16.607 and that was wrong for 18.
Yeah, I got 18.607.
Okay. I was thinking maybe I just put it 8 because it was number 18. So. Alrighty. So. Oh, Stacy, you mean like you submitted it and got it wrong?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's alright.
Okay, so number 13. Less than 13 group meeting.
Do you guys think this is ultra confusing this week?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so many formulas now.
I am like, in the beginning, you made it seem like it was going to be super simple and straightforward as long as we knew, like, math basics, you know? But now I'm like, this has nothing to do with math basics.
No, not at all.
Like, we're going, I was worried about another math class. This is like my last big semester, and I waited till the last minute to take all the math classes. And I had to take Math 108 last term, and I sucked at it because I haven't done math since, like, my senior year of high school, which is, like, 6 years ago. And then this was supposed to be easy, supposedly, I thought. It's not.
I'm just glad we have the teacher we do. That's all I can say.
Yeah. It's nice how he goes through and explains everything.
Yeah, I've heard some.
However, I wish he, like, after the, like, after the last test, you know, if you just got it wrong, you got it wrong. You don't know how you did it wrong. So I wish he would, like, make a video afterwards so we could go back and really learn how to do it right.
Yeah. Did you get yours fixed?
Yeah, he reopened it for me. I got 82.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I wish that you could do that too. That's how Math 108 was also. You couldn't see what you missed.
Yeah, I hated that.
I know, me too.
And then they don't, like, give you, like, the correct answer or something so you can try to figure out how to do it. So you're like, okay, well, I still am going to get it wrong. Next.
Well, you don't even know what problem you missed.
Yeah, true. Frustrating. But we're halfway there.
I know.
I noticed that we have a group project. I was just like scooting to the very end. Have you guys considered that at all?
Yeah.
I was just looking at that today too. Is it the same group that we have?
Yeah.
I don't know.
At least I thought so.
I would hope so.
Because there's I think it like starts next week or in week 8. There's like parts of it due every week until the end of the semester.
Yeah. Yeah. As
And
if
then,
we need more.
yeah, also, what did, I haven't heard back from him. I asked him, and I said, you know, what are we supposed to do if we're, like, out of town for one of the meetings or whatever? And he never replied.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so maybe I'll ask again.
Fine.
Yeah, I'll be gone in 2 weeks.
So will I.
Oh, okay.
Wait, when are you gonna be gone?
I think it's 2 weeks from tonight.
Like in March? First week of March? Maybe.
Yeah, I think so. I think it is.
I'll be in Hawaii for the first full 2 weeks of March, but like I can still meet if like it's not gonna be that big a deal. But if there's an alternative way that we can like do it, then I don't know.
Yeah. What day do you leave?
I leave the 3rd, which is a Wednesday, and then
Okay.
so that Thursday I won't. I mean, well, I'll be in Hawaii. I can do it, but
Maybe that week we could do Tuesday before you leave.
yeah, I could do that. And then the
And you'll
next
only have
week,
to worry about 1 week.
Yeah.
that's true. When are you leaving? Is that the
The
same
4th.
week?
Yeah. So Thursday the 4th.
Okay, so yeah, let's plan on meeting Tuesday the 30 or the first. Wait, what's the date? The first?
Second? Second.
I'm right here, Chris. It's right there. My phone.
Is that okay with you, Laura?
Yeah.
Should we do same time?
Sure.
I am looking at. I'm gonna put it in my calendar really fast. Hold on. Sorry. Wait, the 2nd is a Wednesday.
Tuesday. With whenever.
You mean the 1st? Tuesday?
Okay, first. So I leave on the 3rd then.
Okay. Yeah,
And
I
you leave
leave
on the
that
2nd.
night at like 10:30, the 3rd. So
So Thursday or Wednesday?
I leave Wednesday night.
So that'd be the 2nd.
Yeah.
If
So
Tuesday's the 1st.
Tuesday the
Okay.
1st.
Okay. And next week, should we keep it at 9?
Yeah,
Or do you
that's
wanna do
fine.
it? Okay. Just so I know.
And then I'll find out about the week after. Hey, shh, stop. I'll probably just end up meeting. Oh, I'll have to figure out the whole time difference. Or I'll figure it out. Anyways, okay, let's do 13. Christopher, shush. No, you go lay on the couch, Trey. Okay, do you want me to read this one too?
Sure.
I can if you want. Oh.
Stacy, or did you want to?
I don't care. I can.
Okay, go for it. Here, come here.
All right. 3. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means of independent samples? And it's A and B, so you need the random sample and the X bar normally distributed. 4. The test statistics for a hypothesis test comparing two means of independent samples is a t-score. I need to somehow get good notes on that. I don't know those. Okay, 5. Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects are in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2. 6. Use the data file dentist office bills to answer questions 6 through 10. This data represents simple random samples of dental bills at a dental office in Idaho Falls and a dental office in Rexburg. Use the null hypothesis of that and alternative hypothesis with level of significance of 0.10. So what are the degrees of freedom? 37.996.
Yes.
What is the sample standard deviation for Rexburg? 206.637. What is the test statistic? Negative -4.34.
4.34 or
Four.
0.434?
I don't know which one. I had -4.34.
I got -0.434.
I got
You blocked out. What'd you say?
me.
Yeah.
I got -0.434.
0.434.
Okay. And what was number 6?
Yeah.
Ladies. Ouch. Gotta move. My kid's waiting for their own baby. Number 6, what did you have?
37.96.
37.996. I got that wrong.
That was one he went back on the video and changed.
Oh, well, I missed that part then.
Yeah.
At the end.
Yeah, copy and
9.
pasted the wrong answer in.
Okay,
Yeah.
number 9.
Sorry, what is the p-value? 0.333. 10. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? Failed to reject. 11. Suppose your alternative hypothesis is that what is the correct decision based on this evidence? We still fail to reject it.
Fail.
Yeah. It's still greater than the alpha. Okay, use the data file freshman dinner to answer questions 12 through 17. The data represents the number of times freshmen students from Utah and Colorado cook their own dinner in a month. You suspect that freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. The null is that, use a level of significance 0.05. So what is the appropriate alternative hypothesis? To tell, which is the second one, because it uses the word different, right?
Yeah.
Instead of greater than or less than. Okay, 13, the test statistic, I got 0.845. And the p-value 0.410. Then the decision would be fail to reject. Now use the information data just above question 12 to construct a 95% confidence interval. The lower limit, -2.204, and the upper limit, 5.137. Did you guys have the same?
Yeah.
Okay, I got all
All
those.
right.
Wait, what'd you say for number 6?
37.996.
That's what I put, and it says it's wrong.
Really?
Oh well, still an A. 37.996.
Yeah.
Huh.
Weird.
Is there like a space in there, or?
No? It's just after me.
That's weird.
Math is after me. I'm so ready to be done with math. I shouldn't have waited till the last minute to do all these classes.
How many credits do you have right now?
I have 16.
Oh my gosh.
5 classes. Yeah, I'm losing my mind.
I bet. But then you're done?
Well, I have this class, I have this big semester, and then I have an internship in April, and then I'll have like in September. I could do a full term and graduate next term or like next semester, but I'm having a baby and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to do my internship next semester, and then in the fall I'll just take one final class.
Oh wow. What are you doing for your internship?
I'm doing, it's called Everyday Mothers. It's an online website this lady's doing. So I don't have to leave my house, which is nice because I'm having a brand new baby, and so I just will have to work like 15 to 20 hours online with a group to form this website and like put together stories and stuff about moms. I'm a marriage and family major, so it's kind of simple.
That's awesome. Maybe
Yeah.
I'll get the information from you.
Yeah.
I think I'll wait till next summer. I don't know. Because
Well,
you pretty much can't take any classes with your internship, right?
Well, I was going to. I know if my friend that I had met through classes, she was doing her internship on top of another load of classes, and so that's what I was going to do next fall. But then I found out that like it's not even covered as part of your like credits. So say you have, like a scholarship and you need 14 credits, having the 2 credit internship doesn't even count towards that.
Oh, really?
So you would be taking like 16 credits. And then it's not covered by tuition, so you still have to pay like $275 to take it.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm glad that I found that out, and I'm doing it on a semester by itself.
Can you do it on a summer semester?
Yeah, you can do it whenever.
Maybe I'll do that.
What's your major?
Marriage and family also.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
there's
I think they just changed that like a year in the credit
yeah.
thing. Because I ran into I did my internship last year.
So are
What
you
did you do first?
What? Sorry?
almost done with school?
Classes after the semester.
How many?
3.
Oh. Yay, exciting.
So I'm taking class next semester. Because and then I'll take the other 2 in the fall.
What's your major? What'd you do?
Major, and so it's like the fun major, the outdoors. And so I've worked at Badger Creek. I don't know if you've heard of that. It's in Mountain Valley. I've worked there the last few summers, and I got called back as a staff leader for this last summer, and so I was able to use that as my internship.
That's nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it was really nice. Killed 2 birds with 1 stone.
Yeah.
I know. That's why I was excited that I don't have to like actually go somewhere for an internship. I can do it at my house. There's a lot of, for marriage and family, there's a lot of online sites that you can do. There's like 3 different programs that you can do. So
Oh, really? Where do you find them? Like just on their website?
when you go to like how to find an internship or whatever, and you go under your major, then it'll like list one. There's one that's called like Happy Wives, and it's a lady who does it. And like a bunch of moms get on there, and you're supposed to like help them with their problems and stuff. And then there's the Everyday Mothers, and hers is brand new actually. She's like just now putting it together, and
Wow.
so like we'll be putting together her blogs and stuff, and then she'll have internships every semester, just of like updating and upkeep stuff. And then there was one about like family relationships online. And people just like go on and meet and ask questions, and you gotta like answer and stuff.
Huh.
So,
I'll have to look at those because I'd prefer that too.
Yeah, they say that they don't. Well, my guidance counselor guy, he was like, we don't prefer you to like just do online, but sometimes that's all you have the ability to do. And I was like, well, I got 3 kids under 4, so that's what I'm gonna have to do.
This will be number 3, or this will be number 4?
This will be number 3. So
Okay.
I was gonna take it next fall, so I'm like, there's no way I'm leaving a 2-month-old for 40 hours a week.
No.
So.
Well, cool. That's awesome.
Yeah. Alrighty, ladies. Well, I shall speak at you next week.
All right. Good night.
All right.